Here we are again at Cabbage Tree Bay, Manly, Sydney, Australia. This time, sunrise on the King's birthday following a group of swimmers swimming from Manly Beach to Shelly Beach and back to Manly Beach. Employed is the DJI intelligent flight modes of quick shot, Helix, waypoints, and Cine mode engaging cruise control and manual settings. I overshoot here, but because the settings are bespoke, I can set the yaw, tilt down, ascension speed, and brake sensitivity to very slow or low values, which become compensatory for moves that at high speed would otherwise appear to be noticeably jerky. Here, I speed up, as although very slow motion appears very pleasing to the eye, the clip becomes protracted and boring with the sameness of subject matter. It's a trade-off. Slow motion over the same subject matter gives sharp imagery, but converge on becoming monotonous, while fast motion reduces sharpness and brings in motion blur, along with the downside of that change in motion becomes jerkier and less pleasing to the eye. Here, while deflecting the left-hand stick to the left to rotate anti-clockwise, I am also manipulating the right stick to translate the drone to follow the subject matter, the swimmers below, while rotating. This keeps the swimmers beneath me while still rotating around them. Here I use QuickShot's Helix, an autonomous flight mode engineered by DJI to give an orbital increasing radius with ascension. great in focusing throughout and through 360 degrees rotation. The direction you start is the direction you finish. Initially, align the drone towards the east, and to finish, that will be the alignment to pick up sunrise. Just sit back and control the exposure. With the drone travelling in reverse, here I look down in plan view, and with the right-hand stick I adjust and match the drone speed to that of the swimmers, then slowly tilt up to give a background reveal, then tap to get out of cruise control and into free Cine mode to work the sticks and use the zoom. Being structured initially like this guides me into my flight plan paradigm. Be smooth with the sticks, and when tilting up or down, work the exposure. Here I use a 3x optic zoom, which the Mavic 3 Pro provides, and unlike the Mavic 3 Classic, no grainy image at 3x zoom results. Above 2.5 zoom with the Mavic 3 Classic, being a digital zoom, gave a grainy, somewhat degraded image.